Ma'am, my name is Mridul Shivhare. I am from Dabi district of Madhya Pradesh. I have done my graduation from Dabi Indore, BA Political Science, and this was my first attempt at the examination. And I am the student of KSG Indore, and Khan sir was my quite consistent support in the entire journey. Ma'am, I feel जो syllabus में point लिखे हैं, any point at rule of NGO, SHG, one should prepare the notes on every point mentioned in the syllabus. My strategy was the only one. Note making on the entire points mentioned in the syllabus, be it GS, be it optional. So I feel they directly helped me in the mains examination. This helped me in the success. Ma'am, I feel for the prelims I have focused on 3-4 subjects like polity. It gives around 18 questions. Economy same 18 questions, and then thirdly modern history 10 questions. Ma'am, I feel polity, economy, history, and some parts of environment can enable one to pass the examination of prelims because the cutoff around 90 marks is there. My was 99 marks. So I feel instead of focusing on science and tech, which is quite vast and very, I don't feel that is certain, these 3 subjects should be made mastered, which can help in the prelims examination. Ma'am, actually I have some difference of opinion on this. I feel I have written around 5 times previous year questions. So I feel previous year question is the only guide for this examination because around 70% of the questions get repeated. Although the language may be changed, but the sense remains the same. So I feel PYQ is the only key which help one person to success in the examination. Ma'am, actually I got very less marks in the interview, so I don't feel I am the right person for this. But definitely the questions were very comprehensive in the aspect, like my option was PSIR. So I was asked in the very comprehensive manner, like Russia-Ukraine crisis was there, Sri Lanka crisis was there. And secondly, the DEF, there was no any DEF question in my interview. And the mock was focused on the DEF. So I feel the interview is very uncertain process. Anything can happen there. Ma'am, I will say that one should see the syllabus and the previous year question because UPSC never asks out of the blue. They only stick to the syllabus of the examination and the question repeats itself. But the problem lies is that instead of going to previous year question, people start rushing around the material available in the market. So in my opinion, the previous year question and the syllabus should be the only guide, and they should write questions again and again, be it for prelims and be it for mains. Ma'am, I feel the only message I would like to give is that one should always remember why IAS. That is the only motivation one should have, that why you want to become an IAS officer. Everyone asking what is the motivation behind your success, and I will say only one thing, why IAS. So patience and perseverance and dedication should be the key to the upcoming aspirants, and I hope they will succeed like the flying colors. मैम एक्चुअली मैंने GS की कोचिंग इंदौर से की है, लेकिन मैंने ऑप्शनल क्लासेस दिल्ली से ही की थी. एंड आई फील मैम दिल्ली में रहने का कोई ऐसे स्पेशल फ़ायदा नहीं है, लेकिन बट द एनवायरनमेंट प्रेजेंट हियर इन द ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर और सम हब्स ऑफ द UPSC preparation may help one, but that is not the only success key that we should live in the Delhi or not. So I feel that in the era of post COVID-19 online era, one can live at the home and prepare for the examination. Ma'am, I would like to thank 2-3 teachers of KSG like Apoor sir and Shantanu sir, which helped me a lot in my answer writing practice. And then definitely Khan sir was the consistent support in my entire preparation journey. And ma'am, the answer writing program like CAWP and POD were quite helpful for me in the mains perspective. So I am quite thankful to them.